very happy, right? Smile. Yeah, very good. You are all very happy. You are very interested to listen our EVS class, right? So in the last class I said that today we can start with the next unit. It is not chapter, we are going with different unit. Now what I am thinking is, in the next session you will be having revision, right? So if you start with the fresh unit, it won't be good. You will forget everything, you will confuse everything. So today we can have revision for this last chapter, My Home. Then we can go for revision for the exam test portion. Then after completing the test, we can start with new unit. Okay. So in My Home, what are the things you have learned? Home we use for live. We live in home. We live with family. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt. So house we use for living. Then we have learned some rooms available in the house. What are the rooms available in the house? Kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. These are all the rooms available in the home. Some of the important features of the home. What are the important features of the home? The first one is, door. We all know what is a door, right? We enter inside our home and live out of the house using this doors. Then the next one is window. Windows. We all have windows in our home. For what we use windows? It is for air circulation. Air and light should enter inside our home. Windows and ventilators. Ventilators can also be used for this purpose. Through these ventilators and windows, fresh air enter inside our home for our respiration. Also, the sunlight enters our home. When the sunlight enters our home, the harmful microorganisms present in our home can be killed. Then the next one. Then the third feature we have learned is, very good. It is wire screens. What is that? Wire screens. For what we use this wire screens? For what we use this wire screens? This wire screens, usually we will be having windows like this. We will put this wire screens in this windows. For what? To prevent the entry of mosquitoes inside our house. Mosquitoes will cause many harmful diseases. To prevent the entry of these mosquitoes and flies, we use this wire screen. So these are the features of house. Next, what we have learned? We have learned about cleaning our house. How you clean your house? How many of you started the habit of keeping your home clean? How many of you have started? How you are trying to keep your home clean? What are the steps you have taken to keep your home clean? You won't throw this waste papers in the house. You will help your mother to clean your house, right? Doing that? Very good. I taught some of the methods to keep our home clean. What are they? Dust is available in the floor, should be clean, and we have to clean with mop. Can you remember that many dusters will be available in our floor that we have to clean, and we have to mop the floor so that the floor can be cleaned and it can be free from any microorganisms This is causing flies, etc. Then what is the next point? You have to clean our what? Toilets. Toilets should be clean because many microorganisms, as this toilets is always using, we are using water, right? So many microorganisms will grow in the toilets. So you have to keep this toilet clean. Then what is the next one? What is the next point? Yeah, very good. You have to keep the floor of kitchen and bathroom clean. What is that? The floor of the bathroom and kitchen should be kept clean and dry. What is meaning of dry? What is dry? The floor should be free from water content. No water should be there in the floor. So the floor should be free from water. That is nothing but called keeping the floor dry. Then the next one is about the garbage waste. This garbage wastes, when you store this garbage wastes inside our house, what happens means this garbage wastes will decay. When it decays, many microorganisms develops in that. Flies, mosquitoes will come and sit on that. So it will become dirt for us. So what you have to do is, you have to throw this garbage wastes regularly outside or the dustbin kept. There will be should be a dustbin outside our house. You have to throw this garbage wastes in the dustbin or kept outside our house. So clear about how we can keep our home clean. Then one more point is there. Can you remember about the stagnant water? Stagnant water should be clean because to prevent the growth of mosquitoes. When this water is stagnant in a particular place, mosquitoes will start breeding in that. Then many flies will start laying egg in that water. It will grow and it will go and sit in the garbages. It will cause diseases for us. Mosquitoes can cause harmful diseases such as dengue, chikungunya, malaria, etc. So this garbage wastes should be clean regularly, and the stagnant water should be clear. No stagnant water should be there inside our home and around our home. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, I have written the names of some items, some things. You have to find these things are present in which room of our home. This is just like a game, okay? And one thing, if I am saying the, what we can say, chair. If you consider chair will be available in a hall, living room where we watch television. Sometimes it will be available in dining room. So what are the things you know, you have to say, okay? What I know, I will say. What are the things you know, you have to say. Come on, shall we start? Shall we start? Yes. Shall we start? Yeah, very good. The first one is stove. Where you will find the stove? Yeah, very good. Kitchen. Then the next one is bucket. For what we use this bucket? In the time of bathing, in toilets we use. So bucket is used in bathrooms, toilets. Next, television. How many of you have this television in your bedroom? Whether it is good or not, in bedroom having a television. If you are watching it for a particular time, the television can be kept everywhere. So usually we will have this television in living room. Then the next one is bed. Bed will be available in bedroom because it's used for us to sleep. It will be available in bedrooms. Then spoon. Spoon. Where you find the spoon? Yeah, when your mother is cooking, she will use the spoon. Then dining room also. For to serve the food cooked, we use spoon, right? How many of you are eating this gulab jamun like snacks using the spoon? So we are using for that also, right? Spoon. So spoon will be used in kitchen, used in dining room. Sometimes for eating snacks also we use spoon. Next, pillow. Pillow will be used for sleeping. We use this in bedrooms. Next, fan. We have fan in all rooms of our home, right? Even it is living room, bedroom. In kitchen also we will be having exhaust fans. So fan is widely available in all the places of our home. Then chairs. As I said in the beginning, chairs will be available in all the places. Table. We can have dining table, study table. Study table will be in study room, living room or bedroom. Dining table will be in dining room. Then tap. Where you find tap in your home? Tap will be available in bathroom, kitchen, dining room. Then outside our house also we will be having tap, right? For watering our plants we will be having tap outside also. Then plates. Where you find these plates, vessels? You can find plates in kitchen and dining. Now just think of the things available in your home. Just you think by your own. Find out what are the things available in your home. That may be book, note, pen, pencil, stand, whatever it may be. Refrigerator, mixer, grinder, air conditioner. What are the things present in your home? You have to visit your home. Just have a visit in your home. Go to bedroom. Look what are the things there. Just write it off. Then go to kitchen. Just look at there. What are the things you find? What are the things you find? It is a thing. You write it off. Then you see. Just read that. You will get surprised, right? So many things are available in our home. Just I have mentioned some things. Today your duty to write the things available in your home, and important thing, you have to keep everything clean. What you have to do? Whatever may be available, you have to keep everything clean. Got it? What you will do? You have to keep your home clean. Okay. I hope you all enjoy today's class. The next class will be revision class for you. We will be revising the chapters 1 to 5. Okay, totally you are having 11 chapters, not units, 11 chapters. This syllabus and the portion for the upcoming term exam is given for you. Just refer that. Next class we will be revising first 5 chapters. Okay. Before that also you can start reading, start learning, write the test well. We can meet in the next class. Thank you, students.